How to create a stacked column chart in Google Sheets. Introduction to stacked column chart. Search for stacked column chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data. Select metric columns. Select dimension columns. Click on the Create Chart button. Stacked column chart is created successfully. How to configure a chart. Stacked column chart data requirements. You need between 0 and 7 columns of categorical data to create a stacked column chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 1 and 20 columns of numerical data to create a stacked column chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured, and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: stacked column chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. In this video, first, we will create a stacked column chart with 2 numerical data columns. Later, we will add 2 categorical and 2 numerical data columns. Search for stacked column chart. Then select it. Select the sheet holding your data from Sheet Name dropdown. Note: Header Row checkbox is checked because data contains header row. Select metric quarter 1. Select metric quarter 2. You can set row range using the slider, or manually set value in Start Row and End Row text boxes. Currently, we will select all rows. When all required selections have been made, the Create Chart button will become active. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 numerical data columns. Now, we will add a categorical data column. This is an optional feature. Select Dimension Regions. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 numerical and 1 categorical data columns. Now, we will add 2 more numerical data columns. Select metric quarter 3. Select metric quarter 4. Click on the Create Chart button. Chart is created with 2 more numerical data columns. Now, we will add a new categorical data column to group the columns, planned versus actual. This is an optional feature. To group the columns, we also need to add data rows for actual. Select metric quarter 1. Select metric quarter 2. Select metric quarter 3. Select metric quarter 4. Select Dimension Regions. Select Dimension Type. Click on the Create Chart button. Categorical data columns are grouped on X-axis. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the Axis Left Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Label text section to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Bar and Label Properties pen to prepend $ as a prefix to the labels. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Box section to change the color of the box. Click on the Apply button. Similarly, change the colors of all boxes. Click on the Save button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export button to export chart in SVG, PNG, JPG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to add a chart to a sheet. Click on the Add Chart to Sheet button to add chart image in sheet. How to install ChartExpo add-on. Click on the Extensions menu. Install ChartExpo add-on. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-on is software that adds new features into Google Sheets. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-on is installed, it should display an Extensions menu. Click on the Charts, Graphs and Visualizations by ChartExpo. Click on Open submenu. Click on the Add New Chart button. Select a chart from ChartExpo chart list. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.